All right, welcome back. We are joined on set by 11-year-old Kaillie Brown, a hairstylist and athlete from Trenchtown and the Iris Jelly Primary School. She's here to share her passion for hair and the track. And I also have with me a very special guest. Well, she's really my co-host for this segment. Her name is Asia Escoffery. You see? That's why she's doing it with me now, because I can't pronounce her last name. Pronounce your last name for me, Asia.
Escoffery.
There we go. All right. Well, good morning, both of you.
Good morning.
Asia, over to you, co-host.
So, Kaillie, at just 11 years old, how did you become interested in hairstyling?
Well, I have realized when others have been doing my hair, it's either tight or I don't like it. So I decided to learn so I could do hairstyle that I'm comfortable with and so I could help others.
Yeah.
Wow.
What's the most difficult style you've done?
I haven't met that yet.
Okay. So you can do all of them?
Not really all.
Which hairstyle you can't do right now?
I don't know.
You don't know, okay. All right, tell me though, what do you enjoy most about doing hair? And, let's talk about the mixture of hair and athletics. How does that work?
Fair. Start over.
No, I was asking you, what do you enjoy most about doing hair?
That when people trust me to do comfortable style that they like, so I will just help them.
So hold on and on, okay. You're the one who is right now parting the hair and all of that kind of thing?
Yes.
And combing it out?
Yes.
So how you get the lines them so straight?
Well, your eyes have to be good.
Your eyes have to be good. And your hands have to be good as well, right? All right, carry us over to the athletics side of things. So you are what, a track athlete? You run fast on the track?
Netball.
And netball as well? Really? And you have special hairstyles for when you're competing in those things?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
That's
all right.
wonderful.
Asia, over
That's
to you.
absolutely wonderful.
Ask the next question.
You're also passionate about athletics, as I've heard. So what events had you competed in, and what do you love about being on the track?
Well, I do netball and track, and when I'm on the track, I just feel free, and it feels like I am rushing for a good goal.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So is that something, which one you want to do though in the future? You want to do both things? You want to do hairstyling and athletics, or you want to
Well, when I grow up, I want to be a pediatrician.
Wow.
Then hold on and on, Kaillie, because you're a hairstylist, you're an athlete, you play netball, and you want to do pediatrics. How many things more you want to do though? Where can you find time?
Well, you have to have a schedule.
You have to have a schedule. Okay, my darling. That is good. That is good. All right. But tell me, though, the big balance, because that's important, right? You're getting bookings to the hairstyle, but, you have training coming up for the next netball match, or, some kind of sprint, something coming up. How you manage that with schoolwork?
Well, I have to have a time.
Yeah. What does a day look like for you? So wake up in the mornings, and what does that day normally look like for you?
When I wake up in the morning, I will just look over my book, and then in the afternoon, if anybody wants me to help them to do their hair, I will. And going down to noon, I will do training.
Yeah. The hairstyles that you do right now, is it just for kids your age, or you do adult hairstyle as well?
Adults.
Adult hairstyle? Really? Okay. So growing up in Trenchtown, what did you see around you that, helped you to manifest all of these talents?
Well, I see that people can do it, so I think I can do it.
Yeah.
If others can do it, you can do it.
And your family has been supportive with that as well? Yeah? So they help your mommy buy your products and all that kind of thing? All right, so we're still doing the braiding. Anything else that you can do? Can you process the hair, relax the hair?
Haven't learned that.
Haven't learned that yet? You braid the hair, you add in extensions and that kind of thing? Okay, all right. Asia?
Okay. So what message would you want to share with other little children who may want to follow their passions?
Well, I would just say no matter what, you can do it. Just put in the work and trust and believe, and don't forget that you can do all things through Christ who has strengthened us.
Oh, Lord, have mercy. And she'll go and preach as well very soon. So, for the persons who are watching right now, they want to book you, Kaillie. Are you taking bookings right now? Can I make an appointment?
On weekends.
On weekends, okay. So I just follow you online. You have an online account?
Yes.
What is the name online?
Online, I have an account on TikTok with my father where I have posts, and His name is Kevin Brown.
Got it. Okay, Kevin Brown. We're going to look for him. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Congratulations, my darling. It's a pleasure to have you. Very well done, Asia.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here. Head girl. What school you go to again?
Constant Spring Primary.
Constant Spring Primary. You want to say anybody morning this morning?
Okay. Good morning, everyone, including Constant Spring Primary.
That's right. And you tell everybody good morning as well.
Good morning, Irish Kelly and other school.
There you go. Happy Jasmine to both of you. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Such a pleasure meeting you both. Thank you. 11-year-old hairstylist and athlete from Trenchtown and the Iris Jelly Primary School, Kaillie Brown. Gelly, beg your pardon. And my co-host? Escoffery. There you go. Thank you so much for being here. Good stuff, ladies. Good stuff. Very, very good stuff. All right, coming up next, we delve into strengthening trade relations between the United Kingdom and Ireland and Jamaica. Stay with us.